Welcome to Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz. Today we are going to make gulab jamun. First take a pan and add 600 ml water in it. Now add 500 grams of sugar. Now bring the mixture to boil until sugar syrup is ready. If you want, you can add few pieces of cardamom. You can also add saffron, it's optional. Here I am using Gits gulabjamun powder. Sieve the powder in a siever and add milk in small amounts and make a dough. Make small balls. Fry until desired color is obtained. Fry the gulab jamun on low to medium flame. See to it that the gulab jamun don't burn. Add the hot balls into hot sugar syrup and let it cool down. You will notice balls swell up and become soft and juicy. Now delicious gulab jamun is ready to be served. Thank you for viewing Smart Cooking with Azlafa and Ayaz.